Hi, ahora extension English level 2. Introduce myself, talk about my previous experience in Chicamocha, do reading in the Chicamocha, recommendation review the Chicamocha, presentation personal, my name is Maritza Martinez, I am 19 years old, I live in Grabando, I am single, I like pheromones, I like to ride bicycle, I like reading, I am student administración de empresas. My purpose is exploring in Chicamocha. Touring the Chicamocha Canyon. I went on holidays with my family. So the National Park Chicamocha is a spectacular reservoir with full of seven for its station. The fascinating with the canyon, found daily days to know and falling for the path. The riding Chicamocha keeps the canyon as durable and cleanliness perfect to the science environment. Purified via Coda Training Ranger, the Yukane, Arizona. Recommendation. It is important that people use the screen, the Chicamocha Canyon in the screen. It is important that children are not alone. It is necessary during not morning. It is necessary to book the way consultant have coordinated for that. It is clear tiene permite el certain place na Chicamocha. It is important careful children in Naples in the falls. It is the fastest clear because much rain in a joven tourist place. It is important to bring a good camera to carry beautiful memories. When you there, use the camera and not for car and a very good boat experience. And the trade for car from the Chicamocha Park. Great interview. 29 Chatham for Ranger. YouTube Metravo, no. YouTube Metravo, where yes, distance. Where go to you and very good and long and family and recommend that part. Thank you.